Hey everyone, ready to make an extra $200 a month online? I'm here to show you some simple steps to get you started. Let's dive in. First up, freelancing. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are gold mines. You can offer services like graphic design, writing, or even virtual assistants. Set up a killer profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on projects. Even a few hours a week can add up to $200 or more. Next, online surveys. Companies like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie pay you for your opinion. It won't make you rich, but it's an easy way to make some extra cash in your spare time. Another great option is affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn a commission for every sale through your referral link. Amazon Associates is a great place to start. Share your links on social media, blogs, or YouTube. Speaking of YouTube, creating content can be a fantastic way to earn money. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can join the YouTube Partner Program and start earning from ads. Pick a niche you're passionate about, be consistent, and watch your channel grow. Don't forget about selling digital products. Ebooks, courses, and printables are hot right now. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad make it easy to set up shop and start selling. Got a skill or hobby you're great at? Turn it into a product and share it with the world. Lastly, consider tutoring or teaching online. Websites like VIPKid and Teachable allow you to share your knowledge and get paid for it. Whether it's academic subjects or unique skills, there's always someone willing to learn from you. So there you have it: freelancing, online surveys, affiliate marketing, YouTube, digital products, and online tutoring. Pick one or mix and match, and you'll be on your way to earning an extra $200 a month online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips. Catch you next time.